of coronavirus disease began to occur in 2019, which continued due to severe respiratory syndrome coronavirus 2. The disease was identified in December 2019 in Wuhan, China. The coronavirus COVID-19 pandemic is the defining global health crisis of our time and the greatest challenge we have faced since World War II. The virus can spread through the air, especially when people are close to each other and in contact. The disease is transmitted through breathing, coughing, sneezing, or talking, and the virus enters through the mouth and nose. Therefore, as a measure to prevent the spread of COVID-19 epidemic, each country has implemented a movement control order. However, this pandemic clearly has an impact on caregiving practices and caregivers.
As we can imagine, the COVID-19 pandemic has affected many people in society, particularly the informal caregivers. One of the ways is through their mental health. The pandemic has affected the mental health of both parties, the caregivers and their patients. This is because they live in an environment where health is a major concern. So when they hear news and media coverage of people dying all over the world, it causes them much stress, anxiety, and worry. Besides that, patients who require nurses with specialized skills are not able to receive that kind of help, which means that their informal caregivers, such as their family member or friend or relative, need to take a 24-hour job in taking care of them. That means no breaks, no rest, and no help from outsiders. Additionally, since COVID-19 is a respiratory viral disease, patients who have pre-existing respiratory conditions are more susceptible to this virus. This makes their caregivers very worried. And not only that, they are not worried only for their patients' health, but also their own. Because if they get sick or if they get the virus, they will not be able to provide the care that their patient needs. Next, children with personality disorders such as autism may experience high anxiety and a breakdown in the structure of their personality during this pandemic. This may cause them to get violent and inflict bodily harm on their caregiver, as well as emotional, verbal, and mental abuse.
The impact of the COVID-19 pandemic on caregiving experience is they will feel stress and depression because they will take care of the patient in the hospital so that they do not have time with their family as before. The holiday that have been thought will also cost them no time to rest. Despite having been given leave, they were unable to return home because of worrying about the safety of their family. This caused caregivers have high level of stress and depression. Caregiving can affect a caregiver emotional well-being and routine social activity as a caregiver often feel unprepared for their role due to a host of personal factors and lack of skill. The impact of the COVID-19 pandemic on caregiving also can affect their personal responsibility and performance and also personal life. Millions of caregivers have had to figure out how to divide work and home time, whether it's a family duty or elder care. Many workers are feeling the pressure.
Those are the impacts of COVID-19 pandemic to caregiving experiences. We must admit that although this virus began to spread last year around the world, its effects are profound on humans and in particular have a huge impact on caregivers around the world.
In conclusion, COVID-19 pandemic impact caregiving practice that is significant to the community. This is because this pandemic has limited and restricted the movement of the community, including to seek treatment to hospital and receive treatment from people skilled in traditional medicine. At the end, they just stay at home without getting proper treatment and rely only on their belief in culture, practice, and tradition. However, it encourages them to know and identify cultures that are not widely known and profound in their acceptance and recognition of culture and their similarities with others. In fact, the topic of this caregiving practice is very interesting to learn because can help to add more knowledge related to the tradition and culture practice. Due to the effect of this COVID-19 pandemic, caregivers of the sick and the sick themselves must be strong to face the mental and physical challenges. This is to help to be patient and strong in the daily routine and also to be able to live as usual. Therefore, the effect of this pandemic in general not only affect caregiving practice but also affect various aspects.